Okay, we are making SVGs using Canva and Inkscape. This is part 2. Go check out part 1 if you missed it. What we did was we got everything down to the path layer and we got rid of all those superfluous cuts. Now we're going to regroup things in a way that makes sense. So I'm going to drag over one candy corn, right click, click group. I'm going to double click that group and rename it candy corn. Now I've got my candy corn group. I'm going to do that for all the candy corns. Candy corns. Now I'm going to repeat that for all the different groups I want. Look how much better that looks. Now you're going to drag over everything to select it, right click, group it, whatever you want to name your whole SVG. Boom. Now file, save as, use the drop down to select Inkscape SVG, name it whatever you want and save it wherever you want. Now go to Cricut Design Space and click upload and then browse. Go grab that SVG that you just made. Look how beautiful and clean. Happy